Let's be real, when you're a busy mom, entrepreneur, career girly, and always on the go, the last thing you want to do is spend hours on trying to figure out what to wear. But what if I told you looking stylish does not have to be complicated? Today, I'm going to be sharing 3 outfit formulas that will have you looking put together in minutes. No stress and no overthinking, just stylish looks that work every single time. Hey cool moms and rich aunties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is JoJo, also known as JoJo Styles on these internet streets. I'm a mama of 2 toddlers, a career girly, an entrepreneur, and all-around fashion lover. In my last fashion video, I let you guys know that I am on a journey to getting my personal style together. And in the season I am in, I am very big on effortless style. So I don't have a lot of time to put a lot of effort and energy into my looks. I need something that's quick, fast. I look stylish, put together, and I'm out the door. And my goal is to also help you feel confident and stylish without having to put tons of time into your look. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 3 no-fail outfit formulas that make me always feel stylish even when I'm running out the door. And the best part is you probably have all of these pieces already in your closet. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Now let's get into it. Formula 1 is going to be faux leather leggings, an oversized button down, and statement accessory. Now this outfit formula is for the busy girly who wants to look stylish without sacrificing comfort. Now, faux leather leggings are definitely the ultimate wardrobe essential because they are just as comfortable as regular legging, except when you put them on, you instantly look put together. Now, the faux leather legging keeps you comfortable and stylish. The oversized button down is classic, chic, and effortless. And your statement accessories like sunglasses, earrings, gold jewelry helps bring the entire look together. Now, in this outfit, you can see how I styled my go-to faux leather leggings. I paired them with a classic white button down. I kept it very simple and sleek. It's totally up to you. You can tie it, or if you'd like, I keep mine partially buttoned. I don't button all the buttons just for a more comfortable and relaxed look. Now, in the last video, I told you guys that I'm really into accessories lately. They really help to bring an outfit together. And for this look, I went with a clear, chunky necklace, some gold bangles. And you guys know I love me some shades, and the shades definitely put the look all the way together. For shoes, I did these very cute loafers I recently got at TJ Maxx. And for my handbag, I went with my handy dandy everyday bag. And yes, it is a crossbody, but today I'm wearing it as a shoulder bag and I absolutely love it. Now this outfit is perfect when I want to be comfy but look like I have my life together, even though I don't. Now, formula number 2 is going to be chic joggers, a fitted t-shirt, and statement outerwear. Now this look is all about comfort without looking lazy. So if you love comfy outfits but still want to look stylish, this formula is perfect for you. Now a jogger makes you look a lot more put together than just wearing sweatpants. And now the fitted tee balances the relaxed look of the joggers, even though they're chic. Now to tie everything all together, you throw in a statement outerwear, and as you guys can tell, your girl is giving that formula right now. I absolutely love this look. Now in the video, obviously you guys can see how I still look very put together and like I tried just a smidge more than I normally do. And like I said with the first formula, accessorize. Do not be afraid to accessorize. And as you guys can tell, this look is very sporty chic. I'm wearing my New Balance sneakers. I'm wearing these fun acrylic rings to kind of add some silver to the look. I added these beaded necklaces, which definitely starts to tie the look in together more and more. I think adding the hat definitely took the look from sporty chic to sporty tee, because she is giving. And just to bring everything all the way together, I went with this silver bag. My friend got me this handbag, but I took the straps in to make it more like an oversized clutch, and I absolutely love it. Tell me you're a cool mom without telling me you're a cool mom. Now, if you would like, you can also switch out your outerwear for something like a blazer. It just did not go with this look that I have on today, but that is also an option, that instead of like a denim jacket like what I have on, you can switch out your statement outerwear for a nice fitted blazer. Now, this outfit is literally my secret weapon for looking put together and not like I just rolled out of bed. I personally feel like I look super stylish and elevated. Now, formula number 3 is going to be trousers, a fitted knit or a bodysuit in my case, and everyday gold jewelry. Now, this is the perfect last minute outfit when you want to be just a little more dressy. Trousers are structured and always make you look elevated and effortless. Now, a fitted knit or bodysuit is a closet staple. Everybody has one. We have them in multiple colors, so no matter what color the trouser is, everyone has a knit or a bodysuit that will pair perfectly with. Now, adding your everyday jewelry helps to make you look polished and effortless without trying. For this look, I went ahead and paired my trousers with some sneakers. Now, because I felt like the look needed just a little extra something and I didn't have a navy blue blazer, I paired this look with this denim trench that I absolutely love. I think that really brought the look up a notch. And just to add a pop of color and play off the designs of the shoes, I went in with my red glasses and this cute little red bag, and I think the look gives chef's kiss. Now, this is my go-to outfit formula for a lunch date when I have meetings, I'm going to the coffee shop to do a little bit of editing, or if I just want to look extra cute while running errands. Now, before I go, I wanted to make sure I just added on a couple bonus tips. Tip number 1 goes back to what we just talked about in Formula 3. Don't be afraid to add a third layer. Grab a coat, a blazer, something, a denim jacket, a trench that is going to just add another layer to your outfit and make your outfit look elevated. Now, tip number 2 is going to be investing in quality pieces. Now, if you're trying to put effortless looks in minutes, you have to have an arsenal of go-to wardrobe staples that you can grab from, pull from, and everything works cohesive and well together. So having quality tees, jeans that fit, a nice structured blazer are all key items in having a wardrobe that will fuel your effortless looks. Tip number 3 is going to be shoes matter. Now, I'm a shoe girly and you guys already know that. Now, even the most simple outfit can look elevated with the right shoes. Last but not least, tip number 4 is going to be accessorize with intent. Your gold jewelry, your structured bags, your statement sunglasses, all of those components help to make you look effortless and stylish with ease. So there you have it, 3 effortless outfit formulas that will have you looking stylish with minimal effort. Comment down below and let me know which outfit formula was your favorite. And if you want to see more style and cool mom content like this, make sure you subscribe and join the family. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.